My name is Kayla Moltz, and I'm a business management major here at Broad. It can be very tempting to miss class, especially if some classes don't take attendance, or it's a big lecture hall, or your friend's gonna say, put in your attendance for you. It's very important to attend all of your classes to actually engage in the material, and it's very beneficial to engage with your peers and have time to talk with your professors one-on-one. If you do have concerns about attendance, it's important to read the syllabus and to understand the structure of the class and how the class works, and you can also reach out to your professors and let them know that you're absent. In my own experience, I would say Intro to Supply Chain was a hard class for me to get up and go to, especially because it's a huge lecture hall. They don't always take attendance. But when I did miss class, I realized that I didn't fully understand the material. And when I actually did attend class, it gave me that time to actually engage in the PowerPoints and listen to the lectures and understand the in-class activities. And when it came to exam day, I was much more confident.